Today in history, 24th September 1993, hopeful and sunny, Phnom Penh, Cambodia. Dear Diary, today was an important day because the Cambodian monarchy was restored and Norodom Sihanouk became king again. The monarchy was taken away by the Khmer Rouge a long time ago, which made the country very unsettled and unhappy. My teacher told us that Cambodia used to have kings a long time ago, like Norodom Sihanouk, who was a very important person. But then, there was a lot of fighting and the king was removed from his position by a group called the Khmer Rouge. It was a very sad time for Cambodia. The reason why the monarchy was brought back today is because there was a big agreement called the Paris Peace Agreements. This was to help stop the fighting in Cambodia and to make things fair for everyone. I'm so happy that there is peace now. Norodom Sihanouk was not just a regular king, he was loved by everyone in Cambodia. Having him back as king makes everyone feel so hopeful and proud of our country. I can see many people smiling and cheering in the streets. My friend's grandfather told us about the time when Norodom Sihanouk was king before. He said it was a happy time for Cambodia, and now we have a chance to have that happiness again. I think it's really special to have a king like him. I feel so lucky to be here on this historic day. The ceremony for the king's return was very grand, with lots of music and dancing. I even saw Norodom Sihanouk waving to the crowd from his palace. It was like a dream. I think this event will be remembered for a long time because it brought peace and happiness back to Cambodia. It's important for us to learn from our past and make sure we always work towards peace and unity. I hope our country will continue to grow stronger under King Norodom Sihanouk's rule.